Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. We're doing a quick video for you today showing a 2002 Polaris Ranger that we've had the seat covers on for 6 years now. We put these on in 2017. We're in mid-year 2023 right now. And I do want to show you where some of the wear and tear typically happens on seat covers. Now, wear and tear will vary depending on what you're using it for, how many rides you're doing a week, if you have the dogs in and out. Now, we've used this about 6 months out of the year for the past 6 years, since 2017, and pretty much every day during those 6 months. So this is up at the kind of the summer property that we have up here in Montana. And I want to show you the backrest actually is the best shape. The bottom has had more sun fading to it. So you can see the backrest, the green pine needles, you can see those still bright green on those. Now the bottom, if you scroll down here to the bottom, you'll see that these pine needles still green, but not quite as bright green as that backrest. Okay, so and this is where you get the most wear and tear. So see this on this outside right here, it's starting to wear right there. Still holding up great, it's still protecting the seats, but you can see that's where it's starting to wear out. Now eventually this could wear out and wear through, and then we would need to order like a new driver or a new bottom bench bottom for this, and you can definitely do that with us, is get individual pieces ordered. But again, this backrest didn't see as much sun because the sun was shining from above right there, and this just angle would hit it right here on the bottom. The backrest, again, didn't see it as much there. Now, the headrests, these are actually new headrests because we ordered these within the last year because we have a new option which is headrest logos. This is the American flag on the brown leatherette, and that gets actually laser engraved, etched into that leatherette, and then that leatherette that is stitched onto the headrest. A really cool option, and the brown looks awesome on camos. So we're taking these covers off today. We're actually swapping them out, putting on a new set. We're going with the Kryptek Typhon and some other logos with the black leatherette, but we wanted to show you how that turned out there. Just the 6-year review of these. Some of the pockets, you can see this pocket did not see very much sun at all. Really nice colors in there. The green is still popping out compared to this seat bottom that saw a lot of sun. That's a lot more faded back there, but still everything's holding up. Great shape. Sewing's holding up good there. This is the MOLLE pocket over here, and the MOLLE gun pocket. Again, the colors are doing a little bit better on this side over here as well, but still with lots of use, 6 years of use of dropping, what do we got? Ear protection in here right now, but this has had pistols inside it, binoculars, lots of gear has been used inside here, and then here's the MOLLE webbing on the outside. So again, usage will vary depending on what you're using it for, but really pleased with how these covers have done after 6 years, and we're going to swap them out, put on a new set today. Thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, jump over to Covers Camo. We'll get you set up. Thanks.